Hello guys, good evening. Hapon na dito, mga 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Medyo maganda yung yung hangin ngayon. Yeah, napaka breezy siya. So ang dami, tingnan ninyo yung jujubi ko. Ayan. So, napakalamig ngayon, my friends. Yeah. Ayan, my friend. Yung jujubi. Halika, pitasin natin ito, my friend. Yeah. Cheers to you. Sarap. Mukbang tayo, mga friends. Sarap. Ang tamis. Jujubi. Crunchy, tangy, at sweet. A little bit sweet. Sarap. My friend. Ayan, nagmukbang tayo ng jujubi. Friends, isa pa. One more, my friend. One more. Ayan, Ayan siya. Okay, friends. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, see you tomorrow again. Bye-bye.